Hello everyone, my name is Tatiana Ferrari and I am on the affirmative as long as my partner Albert. Today we are proposing that animal testing should be prohibited. Now first I want to give a little bit of background knowledge on animal testing. There are two main ways that it is done, usually through drug administration and vivisection. Now vivisection is the cutting or operation of a living animal, usually for physiological or pathological investigation. And our three contentions are that animal testing is irrelevant, animal testing is unnecessary, and animal testing is cruel. Now first off, animal testing is irrelevant because animals and humans, mostly ones that are tested are like rats, birds. We are not the same genetic makeup, and because animal tests are so unreliable, they make human trials very risky. Now the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, has noted that 92% of all drugs that are shown to be safe and effective through animal trials have been known to fail in human trials because they don't work or are dangerous. And the small percentage of drugs that are approved for human use, half of them end up being relabeled because of side effects that were not identified through those tests on animals. Another reason why it is irrelevant is Vivox, Phenactin, Eferal, Oriflex, Zomax, Suprol, and Seracrin, and many other drugs have led to be pulled off of the market in recent years because of adverse reactions experienced by people taking them. Now these animal trials did not catch these symptoms because we do not have the same makeup or anything as we do these animals. Despite the rigorous animal tests, prescription drugs kill 100,000 people each year, making them the nation's the fourth largest killer. And our second claim that animal testing is unnecessary, it's because there are a lot of other options, especially with today's technology, that makes animal testing seem kind of medieval. Harvard's Swiss Institute has created organs on chips that contains human cell growth in a state-of-the-art system to mimic the structure and function of human organs and organ systems. So instead of putting these animals through pain, we are able to stimulate them with the function of organ systems and human organs. The chips have been used instead of animals in disease research, drug testing, and toxicity testing, and have been shown to replicate human physiology. Some companies have already started using them, and they're using these products that other researchers can use in place of animals. And now, animal testing is unnecessary. According to the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, every year the U.S. military wounds and kills 8,500 goats and pigs in combat trauma training courses, sometimes amputating their limbs, stabbing, and burning the animals. These procedures are not only cruel, but they're also unnecessary. More effective human-based training methods are now widely available, such as computer stimulation, and they already have existing techniques. There's no need to put these animals through harm when they already know what to do. And also, you're not finding animals that are sick, already have these pre-existing diseases. You are taking healthy beings from a completely different species than what we are and giving them artificial conditions and that they would never normally contract. So it's keeping them in an unnatural and stressful environment that trying to apply these results to naturally occurring diseases in human beings is dubious at best. Physiological reactions to drugs vary enormously from species to species. For example, we are able to take aspirin and penicillin, but penicillin kills guinea pigs but is inactive in rabbits. Aspirin also kills cats and causes birth defects in rats, mice, guinea pigs, dogs, and monkeys. Morphine, which is a depressant in humans, stimulates goats, cats, and horses. So further, all these animals have different reactions to what humans have. So why are we inflicting pain and suffering on animals that don't even share the same symptoms as humans do? Therefore, it is cruel and really irrelevant. We are putting them in a stressful, monotonous, unnatural lifestyle just for what? To put a new trial in humans that'll fail probably because they do not share the same genes as humans. Thank you.